Long road trips often lead to unexpected flat tires in the most inconvenient locations. The good news is you no longer need to wait for a professional mechanic.
Introducing the new generation tire repair screw, allowing you to easily handle the fix yourself.
This tool requires no wheel removal, no drilling, and absolutely no heavy lifting, making it accessible for everyone.
The process is simple. Just extract the damaging object and install the repair screw. This method is fast, saving you time while preventing additional damage to your tire rubber.
Featuring a high-grade silicone coating, it provides a reliable, secure seal against leaks. The long-lasting packaging ensures the adhesive remains effective for years, making this a true essential for every vehicle. Ready to buy? You'll find the link in the description and the comments below.